Oh, what's up, guys? Hey, today we are reviewing these camo boxers. So this is what they look like. I actually love the camo. Finally, for once, they get a camo that looks accurate. Okay, I'll be right back. And we're back. No fake banana hiding like those other influencers do. Nobody wants to see fakeness. You want to see the real thing. So this is how they are, how high they come up. They are stretchy. Yeah, so they're fully stretchable. They don't have any open pocket in the front, if you know, if you know. But, yeah, that's what they look like. I would say they're comfortable. They're like a lot of those other boxers that will ride up over time. So you might have to just reach under your shorts and pull them down a little bit from time to time. But they definitely are nice. So I'm glad I got them.